Alright, you're all.
Hi guys, we're back. We're still, still tearing down this Forester for you guys. I showed you guys how to remove and replace this cladding on the other doors. Very similar to this same exact setup as the other doors on the other side, same as this one. You just grab behind right here or back here. Just give it a, just yank the bottom this way. See how I yanked it? Very simple. And then there's a little piece of tape right there, but that's how it comes out. So you want to remove and replace and reinstall this door cladding. Maybe you scratched it, maybe you hit something that broke off, or you want to pull it out and paint it a body color or paint it red. And I've seen red, yes. And then put it back on or reinstall it. So remove and replace and reinstall this thing. Make sure that these clips are all out of this door, the cladding clips or rocker panel clips. And then line them back up with the holes, you can see them. And then very simply just push on there. And that's it. You can, do this to make sure that all of them are snug, but that's as easy as it can be to remove and replace a door rocker panel molding, cladding, whatever you want to call it.